In this video, we're going to make a sodium hydroxide adjusting solution. This solution is needed when the pH of your product is lower than 4.0. That is, it is too acidic and cannot be used on skin. That is why you need a sodium hydroxide adjusting solution to increase the pH of that particular product. So in this video, we're going to make that adjusting solution to increase the pH level of your final formulation. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time on this channel, you are so welcome. This is where you get to learn everything about skincare, either for your personal use or for commercial purpose. Guys, I will still encourage you to subscribe to my channel. Please guys, this means a lot to me. It means a whole lot. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, share, like and comment. All this goes a long way for this channel and it goes a long way for me. It won't take you up to a second to do that. Thank you so much. So guys, let's go and make this adjusting solution. Okay, so welcome to my workspace. All the tools we'll be using here have been sterilized and my workspace has been disinfected. You should do the same while formulating yours too. Okay, so you should always exhibit DMP, that is good manufacturing practice. So now we're going to start by making the adjusting solution, which is sodium hydroxide solution. You can also call it caustic soda or lye solution. This solution is used to increase the pH level of your final formulation or final product. So you can either use sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, but in this video we're going to be using sodium hydroxide. To make this adjusting solution, it requires 90-10 ratio, that is 90% distilled water and 10% sodium hydroxide. So that means we're going to measure out 90 grams of distilled water and 10 grams of sodium hydroxide to make 100 grams of this solution. So make sure you are working in a well ventilated environment because caustic soda can be so corrosive. And another thing, please do not add water into lye. Do not add water into lye. Instead, you add lye into water to avoid bad chemical reaction. Alright guys, so let's go. We're going to measure out our distilled water first. Make sure you set it. After placing container or your measuring scale, press the tar to reset it back to 0. Now let's measure out 90%. So that is 90 grams of our distilled water. This is 90 grams of our distilled water. We'll place it in one side, then we'll measure out our lye powder. 10 grams of our lye powder. Please, like I said, be careful when measuring out your caustic or lye powder. It can be corrosive or it can be shocking as well. So 10 grams. So we're going to place this aside. Then we'll add together. So this is our 10 grams of lye powder or sodium hydroxide. This is the 10 grams and this is 90 grams of our distilled water. Please make sure you are using distilled water. Don't use any other water. Distilled water or deionized water. So let's add it together. So you're going to give it a stir gently. Don't let it spill on your skin, please.
Now you will notice it will start getting hot and filmy. That's the chemical reaction of pouring sodium hydroxide into water. So there's really nothing to worry about.
So it's going to get hot. Yes, it's hot now. You can feel it's very hot. So if you want to use this adjusting solution, you have to place it somewhere to get cool before you can add it into whatever you want to add, into any whatever you want to adjust. So because it's hot, very hot, so you have to leave it to get cool and dissolve completely. So as it is getting dissolved, it will settle down, it will stop filming and settle down. So this is how to make your sodium hydroxide solution
to increase the pH of your final product if it's below 4.0. So guys, this is it. It has stopped filming and it has cooled down. As you can see, I've transferred it into a safe container, and this can be used within a month. Afterward, you can discard and make a new solution. So guys, that is it about sodium hydroxide adjusting solution. See you in my next video. Be safe and bye.